Okay guys, we got a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. We bought this vehicle, it came in and had a really hard time starting. You'd have to push your foot down on the gas while you're starting it and then leave your foot on the gas for a while for it to actually start. And if you let off the gas, it would die. We did pull the codes and there was a misfire in cylinder 6. We checked the spark plug, it didn't look that bad. Then we checked the ignition coil, swapped it over, and nothing happened. We took the valve cover off. Okay, so this is cylinder 6 right here. Okay, we're gonna look down here, and there's a ring right here. And this is collapsed and it is bad. So that's the issue. If we look at this one, it's not moving around at all. So this needs a new spring. In order to fix that, you're gonna have to remove the entire head assembly and swap that out. So that's just what we found on this one. If you're having similar issues and you've swapped over the spark plug and the coil and everything, you still have the same issue, you may want to check that. An easy way to tell without taking this off so you can turn the vehicle on with it just like this, and if you put your hand right here, it's supposed to suck it in like this. You'll feel it sucking, but if that area isn't working, it'll just blow out a little bit of air. So that's kind of how we found out as well. Hopefully this video helps, and hopefully you don't have this issue. Hopefully it's just a spark plug or a coil. But yeah, thanks for watching.